650 KTRS.
All right, time to check the market. Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas. We had a bit of a pullback yesterday. What was the story?
Yeah, yes, we did. Yesterday, the Dow was down 54 points, closed at 22,296. A sell-off in technology kept the averages down. However, technology has been one of the best-performing sectors this year, so a slight sell-off is expected. Energy stocks were mostly higher as oil jumped 3.1% to 52.22, its eighth gain in 11 sessions. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.22%. So, market was just down a little bit yesterday.
All right, and Target made some news yesterday. What's going on there?
Yes, they did. Target plans on increasing its minimum wage to $11 an hour next month and will increase to $15 in 3 years. This applies to all help, including part-time holiday help. And this is big news because the labor market has been improving for years, and we need wage growth to increase to keep the job market strong. Retail is the largest private sector employer in the U.S. with an average rate of $15.35 an hour.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's Target. So what about Saudi Arabia?
Yeah, we're just talking about oil. Saudi Arabia is getting ready to tap the debt markets as a deal, but basically to deal with lower oil prices and the damage it has done to their economy. Last year, they raised $17.5 billion in the largest debt offering ever from a developing country. If the past 3 years, well, not in the past 3 years, they have used $200 billion of the reserve and are currently running a $53 billion budget shortfall.
Wow. It's a lot of money they got cash-wise, so they can tap into that. And then finally, what are we hearing from Microsoft?
Now, Microsoft introduced a new line of artificial intelligence software. Now, it comes with a customer service virtual assistant that the user can ask questions and describe problems in their own words. The assistant will scan manuals and help books to try to find the answer. This looks like the next step in computing.
Well, that's really weird. It's also weird that you become attached to these artificial intelligence. Did you ever see the movie Her? Was it Her? Is that what it was with Joaquin Phoenix? Where he fell in love with his operating system?
Yeah, that was odd.
It was actually a
I think I did.
Yeah, it was a pretty weirdly interesting movie.
Really?
Yeah, it was really good. Markets today, Scott Crothers.
Well, today the Dow looks flat. It's a busy day with new home sales and consumer confidence this morning and Nike earnings after the bell.
Oh, there you go. All right, Scott, thanks for checking in. Have a good day. We'll do it again tomorrow. Thanks.
Sounds great. Thanks.